welcome back to another video on our channel. So we are meeting again after a long time, not mom and me, हम रोज मिलते हैं. But regarding the vlog, last vlog मैंने post किया था मेरे birthday पे, which was in December, and now it is March, and I'm very sorry for the gap, but this will keep coming and going. I'm making no promises now. I might be inconsistent in future as well, but I'll try my level best to not be inconsistent and to post regularly and to stay on track. So today is Women's Day and हम लोग जा रहे हैं on a small Women's Day date. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
कैफेटेरिया कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं?
हम जा रहे हैं कैपुचिनो ब्लास्ट. Right. So apparently हम last time गए थे कैपुचिनो ब्लास्ट. I think थोड़े टाइम पहले. Cappuccino Blast is one of my personal favorites, and last time जब I took mom there on a date, she started loving it. So for Women's Day हमने decide किया कि that is the best place that we should go. Like we could go celebrate करने के लिए. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं Cappuccino Blast. Yay. So apart from this small छोटू-सा date at Cappuccino Blast, we are not doing much. Reason being, it's my working day today. On that note, last time I posted a video on this channel, I was still job hunting. I was not working anywhere, and now for I think the past month or so, I have been working with this firm, and which is another reason why I was not having enough time to post regularly. But now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like I should pay more attention and give a little time, a little छोटू सा थोड़ा सा time to this as well, because this is my passion and I should make more efforts towards it, right?
ठीक है. और दूसरा
देखा अभी बिल्कुल सही चल रहा था, जब भी तक नहीं पता था कि कैमरा है, एंड जैसे ही कैमरा लाइक जैसे ही ऐसे करो तो बिल्कुल
डेलीकेसी भी जरूरी है.
हाँ हाँ.
डेलीकेट डांस वैसे तो बहुत स्ट्रांग है, पर ठीक है.
सो अब हम पहुंचते हैं कैपुचिनो ब्लास्ट, and then I'll show you the place and why exactly do I like it. So the food there is good. Okay, should I tell it abhi या फिर should we go there and then we discuss this?
तभी
वहाँ
डिस्कस
पहुँच के discuss करते हैं. We should have something to talk about वहाँ पे भी, right? सही
तू
में
किधर जाना चाह रहा है?
कहाँ से डेलिकेसी दिखा रहे थे आप?
मनु ये सब मत लेना. मनु अच्छी बात है.
देखेंगे. we'll see.
बेटे और तो धीरे से मजा ही नहीं आया. ठोकते जाओ एक आपको.
Okay, I will suggest him. उसने बोला चौराहे से सीधे जाके फिर उतना ही उधर जाएंगे और उसके बाद फिर राइट मुड़ जाएंगे. एक सेकंड.
क्या आगे? कहाँ है?
सीधे चलो राइट. ये जो ये बिल्डिंग है ये वही है.
मतलब अभी आगे से फिर
नहीं यही
अरे shit यार.
जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ये जो बिल्डिंग है यही है. And then we finally reached the place. So this is Cappuccino Blast and I like it for a few reasons. One, the place is super cool and it's super cute. The aesthetics is on point, and every time I come here I click so many pictures and all the pictures turn out so good. So yay. The second point being the food, actually, which should have been the first point, but the food here is amazing, and also this place is affordable. So every time I come here to eat, I don't feel like this is going to burn a hole in my pocket, because I'm not earning too well. I'm just earning okay. So this place fits perfectly for my budget. So yes, this was pretty much it for what we did. It was a super cute, um, calm, relaxing, small date for me and my mom. We had some good food, some fun, and then in the end, we did click a lot of cute pictures here. And that was pretty much it for the date part. And towards the end of the date, something happened that was not initially planned by us, but it made our Women's Day even more special for me and my mom. And it ended up being a part of our Women's Day celebration, and I am so happy about it. Okay, so
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं समझ नहीं पाती मैं. Okay, so अब we are done with our date and अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस घर. And I have a good news. अभी बताऊँ या घर जाके बताऊँ?
घर जा.
घर जा.
नहीं अभी नहीं.
अभी
नेक्स्ट.
नहीं
अभी नहीं.
अभी.
जब भी पेमेंट आ जाएगा
तो पेमेंट तो कल आ ही जाएगा. ये थोड़ी ना कल पोस्ट हो रहा है, ये तो परसों या नरसों पोस्ट होगा.
तो कल बता.
Not that.
कल.
No, अभी.
नहीं प्लीज.
Mama, please
No,
now.
no.
Mama, now. Mama, now. Okay, so the good news is कि मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक पेंटिंग बनाई थी जो कि मैंने इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक पे डाली हुई थी. एंड कल मेरे को किसी का मैसेज आया दैट ओके आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन सेलिंग द पेंटिंग. And I said yes, and I told them the size and everything. So it's a very small painting, and I told them the size, I told them the price and everything, and they seemed to like it. Price wise and painting wise तो already पसंद थी. So now that painting is sold, and उसको deliver करने हम कल जा रहे हैं, and कल ही probably I'll get my payment. So yay! I sold another painting. कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा.
So mom मेरे पीछे पड़ी है कि I should start making bigger paintings and selling those, and I agree, but somehow मुझे उतना टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है. But
टाइम बहुत है.
okay, time मम्मा.
सोचना ज्यादा है. सोचती ज्यादा है. टाइम है.
We'll just say that we'll try to work it out. So yay, I'm going to deliver the painting kal. So I'll also show the entire packing process. How exactly am I going to deliver it? So because हमारे घर के एरिया के पास है वो एरिया जहाँ पे मुझे डिलीवर करनी है. So it is easier for me to deliver it personally. और नहीं तो फिर कुरियर करवाना पड़ता. But I'm so happy. Woo! Happy Women's Day. That's a Women's Day gift.
सेम टू यू बेटा.
Thank you. Alright, so now we are home, and this is the painting that I was talking about that someone recently bought it. So now I will be sent to her new home tomorrow. Yay! I want to do the packing today, like tonight itself, so that tomorrow I don't have to deal with all of that, because I also have work tomorrow. So it'll just be like I'll just be delivering it tomorrow, but I'll do the packing and everything right now itself. And yes, but now that that one is like going away, this is what I want to start working with next. So this is what I want to start working with next. This is a super big canvas, and I've been procrastinating starting this, but now I think iska time aa gaya hai. But before that, I've also been working on this chotu canvas for a long time now, I think a few weeks, and I think I should finish this first and then start off with that. But we'll see how this goes. Almost all ready with the packing. That's the painting, and that's the freebie stickers that go with it. And now I just need to write a thank you note, and this will be done. so it's the next day now. I've already delivered the painting, and the person who bought it was really happy with the painting, and yay, I also got the payment. Apart from this, all is well, and this is it for this video. We had a lot of fun on Women's Day, and I hope everybody else also try to celebrate it अच्छे से. And this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and do show me a lot of love with liking the video, commenting down below how you celebrated your Women's Day and with whom did you celebrate it. And we will see each other very soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.